amazing. That's right, baby! The pure moneda! That's what it's all about, guys. This is my favorite Jordan of all times, guys. I never got to have these shoes, and they're finally in my hands. Pure moneda, bro, moneda, pure money, pure white, bro. Yo, I'm pumped. Let's put it like this, boy. I haven't been this pumped over some shoes in a long time. Yes. I'm not even gonna waste time, guys. Let's get into this beauty. You already know how I start this off. I gotta get serious right now. The materials and the toe box. Yeah, that one up. Check it out, baby. Plush leather, plush quality, high grade. Ooh. I'm telling you, bro, I'm pumped on this one, bro. I'm not serious. I'm pumped on this one. It's my favorite Jordan of all time, guys. Bear with me over here. Come on, man. YouTube fam. You guys are my fam. Bear with me over here. It's excitement. You know, when this came out, there was a different era in my life. And this is pure money, bro. Pure moneda. Okay, that's it. Let me shut up. Like I was saying, guys, the leather on point all the way through. That whole upper leather all the way to the back, guys. Plush, quality, nothing to play around with. The tongue, perforated leather that I've actually been hearing, excuse me about this. I've actually heard a couple of people saying that this is that good quality. Bro, you serious? This is great. This is amazing. It's soft. What do you want, bro? Whatever. Like I was saying, guys, very good quality, perforated leather all the way through. And you see where the little lace holes are at in chrome. Very beautiful right there. Clean, guys. Going to the top, the perforated leather on the lace holders in the top. And the lace holders are actually like in a gunmetal silverish color. Not a light silver color, but more into the dark gray area. Going all the way to the top to the tongue, you see the Jumpman logo, very pronounced into that leather and very nicely detailed. You can see the shoelaces and it doesn't have the pretzel fingers. Very nice. And the lace holes all the way in the top are in chrome. Going to the front and the side of the sneaker. Guys, out of the pictures that I've seen of the OGs, I have never seen the OGs in person. Let me specify that. I've never seen the OGs in person. I've never even been to a store that they've had them, and I didn't have them. So I'm gonna compare certain pictures over here with you guys. The actual elephant print, supposedly on the original, and you guys can see it right there, it's more of a silver tint to it. It has more of a silver hue on it. But this one is more into the creamier side. And me personally, I like it even more. I don't like gray. I'm not a big fan of gray. I like that nice little tan feel to it. I like that. Cream, get the money. Let's put it like that. But you could see the elephant print and that white. Very nice, very beautiful. And you guys notice, very well stitched. Very well sewn, guys. This ain't no playing around. And it's surrounded by that white patent leather all the way through. That is the exact same color as the Columbia 11s, just if you guys want a reference. Going to the back, you see the elephant print also, like I said, in that very light tan color with the elephant print in white. And you see the Jumpman logo very nicely embossed into that heel. Very beautiful, very detailed, very nice and coordinated. But the best part of it all, that not just that it's my favorite color of sneaker of all time, it is my favorite Jordan of all time. It has the touch that just represented those great days, guys. Yes, pure money, baby. Yo, I'm dead serious about this. I'm pumped up with this thing, dude. This to me has a significance that's out of control, dude. It's a little bit more than just my favorite shoe. It just means something to me. Cause dude, I never got my hands on this. The one I did get my hands on was the Jordan 4 Pure Money that I've shown it to you already like 800 times. But it's just, this was my favorite Jordan at that time. It was the Pure Money 4s. It wasn't my favorite silhouette, but I loved it so much just for what it represented. And it said Pure Money right there, guys. If you guys can see it, it actually said Pure Money. But if you guys have seen my past videos, the Jordan 3 is my favorite silhouette of Jordans. And this is what I wanted all along. I'm in love with it, guys. I'm not gonna keep talking about it, man, but I'm speaking to you like family over here. Like, yo, this serious? This means a lot to me. But enough talking about that. I know you guys want to see the review, but Primo, shut up already. Let's get back to it. So yes, it does say Pure Money in the back. Very well sewn, very nicely detailed, and pretty much even. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty even. Going to the midsole, you guys can see that the better half of the whole midsole has like a glossy white color to it, and the air bubble is in white inside, a clear air bubble, and it's white inside. Going to the sole of the shoe, Pure Money white all the way through, and Jordan in silver. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the actual sneaker. Like I said, guys, very good quality all the way through. I'll show you the on foot in just a second, but let me show you the presentation just for the people that love the presentation. I don't want them butthurt. The presentation is identically the same as every other Jordan 3, guys. The big Jumpman in the front in red, the lid in black, and the whole bottom with the elephant print surrounding the whole box with the QR codes right there. Obviously, guys, they removed the price tag just in case they got to change it up right at the last minute. And the inside of the box is in full red. Very nice, very clean. Prototypical box, guys. Nothing different, nothing changes when it comes to the boxes. Me personally, like I've always said, I don't care about the boxes, and I'm not gonna throw this one because the other shoe's inside. Give me a second. Take care of your boxes. Now, when it comes to the sizing, and why do I mention the sizing, guys? For the simple fact that this silhouette right here is the closest to the original silhouette, the original Jordan 3. And it's a lot more narrow, more of a sleeker look shoe. But even like that, you can stay true to size 100%. I bought a 9.5, and a 9.5 fits perfection. Of course, it's a Jordan 3. What more comfort are you going to have than a Jordan 3? It is amazing, especially the colorway and all that, baby. Pure Moneda, you can't beat it. So yes, I wanted to touch on that little subject right there, just in case you guys are into it. And the funny thing is that this is just a colorway of Jordan. That's all it is. That in reality, it came out for the 25th anniversary. That's how it all started. And the first one ever was actually the Jordan 4. Then came the Jordan 3. The Jordan 4 was the OG. This was the OG Pure Money, the one that said Pure Money. Then this bad boy came out, and man, I just cannot be any happier that they actually brought it. Excuse me about something I totally forgot. Give me 1 second. Because I gotta show you this. I don't like to miss little details, guys. I don't care how long it takes. Yes, all white insole with the silver Jumpman logo right at the heel. Very nice, very beautiful. Oh, and it's actually embossed. You know what? I'll just show it to you right there as close as possible. And hopefully this thing can zoom in and remove the head. Right there. It's actually embossed. Very nice detail right there. And yes, 9.5. So like I was saying, my fam, yes, super happy that these came out. This has made my year, and I'm not even going to put it as sneaker of the year for the simple fact that this is my sneaker of the year already, but this is personal. I'm not going to mention it at the end of the year for the simple fact that that's not fair. This is my favorite Jordan 3 of all time. I'll do something with it. I'll mention it on something, but this I cannot do it because I'm going to be 100% biased with it. And I am going to put it as number one over anything. You can let me have the original undefeated force. I don't care what it is. This to me is my favorite Jordan 3 of all time, and Jordan, period. As crazy as that sounds, I finally have them in my hand. Guys, I recommend them 100%. I'll leave a link below. It is gorgeous all the way through. Great quality. Pure moneda, bro. Pure money. That's all it is, baby. That's for the big ballers at Descaro. It is what it is, baby. Palante, and that's what it's all about, baby. Forward always. Go get that money. Cream, get the money. Dollar bill, y'all. The next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. These are going with me, son. Oh, wait, I forgot. El cohete. El coheto.